Alright guys, just got my heads back from the machine shop. Got new bronze valve guides put in. The reason I did that was because the intakes were cracked on the inner edge, this edge, on all of them. Exhausts were fine, but and not quite sure how they got cracked. They were actually oblonged. You could see there was less material on the inside rather than the outside. So I think they weren't. I think they maybe ground the seats, or somehow the valves and the seats weren't set up perfect. So I think that's what happened. That's why it caused them to crack and wear on a oblong side. So they're back, nice and clean. Got to put the valves. I'm using OEM valves. Nothing special. So I just want to show you a quick clip of that. I got to. I'm gonna hone my block today as well. Get ready. My pistons, rings, rods. Or my pistons are already here. Sorry, my piston rings and rods and bearings. They should be here this weekend. So hopefully we'll get a good start on that. Just got done honing it. Those nice, pretty cylinders. So honed it. Now I got ARP head studs and main studs. So I'm going and I'm just running a tap down all the holes to make sure there's no burrs and no debris. Now look at that. That's why you do it, because it's not too late to do it, because it's full of shit. And so just some insurance, make sure all those are clean, and like I said, just retapping all those. And I'm probably gonna tap the oil pan bolts. I actually have one I gotta drill out and retap because it broke. So that's what we're doing at the moment. So I got one side all tapped, and I'm just running it down again a second time just to make sure everything's good. But as you can see, there's still, I know the camera's not focusing, but there's still shit on there. So it does pay to be anal about shit like this. You want to make sure you get all that junk out of there and make sure you have a good, clean engine. Well, all the head stud threads have been tapped. This is one quick thing I wanted to show you guys. Obviously, this block has been worked on. It says 8 a.m. there. Same thing over here, 8 a.m. So I don't know where. Weird. Obviously, someone just marked it, but still can't get over those 88mm cast pistons. So who knows? Maybe it was over in Japan or something, and they rebuilt it, because I haven't really done any research into those cast pistons, but they got weird shit over there. I'm gonna turn it over, do the mains, tap them, the oil pan bolts, get this baby ready. Alright, so I got all the mains tapped and the oil pan bolts tapped. Tomorrow, should be getting my rings, and should actually be at my rod, tune bearings, but I got to get rings in and get the right ring end gap, and we can put those in, put the bearings in, make sure I got the right clearances, triple check them, and then we got the heads. Obviously I got to put them all back together. So I will keep you guys updated. Thank you a bunch for watching.